Oh wow, look at them. Yeah, they look like a fry and smell absolutely amazing. Hi guys, and welcome back to New Forest Feasts. Today we are taking the humble carrot and transforming them into something a bit different. Some say exciting. So let's get cooking. So today we are making carrot fries. Now, having the carrot fries, to me I'm thinking sounds a lot like roasted carrots, which is my favourite vegetable of all. Don't get me wrong, I do like to have boiled carrot now and again, but roasted carrot to me seems to lock in all those flavours, adds to the sweetness. So I'm really hoping that is what I'm going to get from these carrot fries today. As you can guess, this is my first time making these. So let's see how we get on with them. Now, if potato fries is any way to gauge how these are going to come out, I do like my potato fries with the skin on, so I'm going to add one with skin on and test that as well. So we'll get these chopped now. First of all, half them. So I'm going to keep the fry the full length of this carrot, because I think that's roughly the size of my air fryer. And then I'm looking to have them about 1 centimetre wide at least in one dimension. And that one there, I think I'll chop that again in half. And this one. I think that's probably about right one after. Hi, I'm a new channel looking for subscribers who love cooking. So if you find this helpful and enjoyable, hit that subscribe button and you get notified every time I drop a new video. Okay, so here we have them. All roughly the same size. That one's probably a bit too large. They all need to be roughly the same size, otherwise some will be overcooked and some will be undercooked. So I'm going to be adding about half a teaspoon of salt. Same with pepper. Teaspoon of smoked paprika. The same with onion granules. And the same with cumin. A nice glug of oil. So thoroughly mix them together. Now there's a long list of seasonings that you can use. I've researched quite a bit and I put a list there for you in the description. And they do range from sweet and sticky to Mediterranean focused, a few spicy, and again to this one here as well. So yeah, it's worth a look. See what is going to work with your day, work with your dish, or work with your crowd, and give it a go. Right, let's get these in the air fryer. Okay, so I've got a preheated air fryer. Now I'm stacking on this side here. It's going to be a case of, like my previous videos, a very bad game of Jenga. People have asked why don't I use this side? Well, more recently they've asked that. And that is because I've used it so much, I think I've broken it. So I have a new air fryer on order. But in the meantime, tray number 2 is still going. So as you can see here, I'm just stacking them in a crisscross manner. And this allows the air just to freely flow around the surfaces of them and crisp up as much as possible. Okay, I think that's going to be enough. There's still a bit left, but we do a little bit of batch cooking. Okay, we're going to get that in for 10 minutes at 200. The hardest part of any roast vegetable recipe for me is the wait, but trust me, it's worth it. Oh, and the time's up. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Golden brown, slightly caramelized. Oh wow, look at these. They look amazing, smell incredible. Right, the moment of truth. Have my beloved roast carrots been elevated to fry status? I mean, that's good. Now, it doesn't have the crunchy exterior which I expected from maybe a potato fry, but I never thought a carrot would do that. But it has the crunchiness on the inside. It's a bit of a reverse fry or potato fry. I like them a lot. I could eat these all day long. And yeah, the flavours, we've got the smoked paprika, the earthiness then comes from the cumin, and the sweetness from the carrot. It's a great combination. Can't wait to try the other ones. So if you like this recipe, easy, surprisingly amazing, yeah, just hit the like button, please. See you next time.